Hello viewers and subscribers, and in today's video it's mail call time, and I'm really excited about this one because I received my Hidden Harvest grow lights, and I placed the order. I think I had my delivery within, I'd say, about 2 to 3 days, and so I'm just gonna unbox it. I ordered 2 because I'm planning on having one shelf of my muzzle rack with the Hidden Harvest grow lights, and so pretty much it's the power cord, and the hanger, and Brad was nice enough to connect this one, and also the grow light, which is a full spectrum grow light, and I'm excited to find out how plants react to it. I have watched some videos of Brad's indoor grow, and he has a setup in his basement, and it's just fantastic. He has lots of things growing, and even roses, so flowers, lettuce, broccoli, you name it, he's growing it with these grow lights. And so I've watched a lot of his videos, and I've watched a lot of growers that are using his lights, and they are all raving about the Hidden Harvest grow light. So you know me, I love to grow things indoors, and I said I have to have some. So anyways, I'm going to be setting these grow lights up, and as soon as I do, I'll be sharing some of my journey with using the Hidden Harvest grow light. So until the next video, blessings everyone.